conversation I'ma have with you. Cause there'll be days you'll tread without your dad with you. See, there's a difference with some of those in your class with you. That very difference why some go grow and be mad with you. So let me start. Okay, look, put it like this. You are a black man, a reflection of black excellence. You strong, mentally and by nature you can endure more. Cause at a young age you'll be forced to mature more. This when sorrow becomes nature. But you must always remember God is within you, black man, and for that they gonna hate you. Kick and choke you in the street, kill you or disgrace you. Treat you like you less than human every time they face you. And Lord knows I go crazy, I couldn't bear the pain. That's why our prayers include the families of those slain. Those black bodies transition to minor strange fruit. I'm sorry to curse, but fuck police, I wish them pain too. And they are not bad, I know this. I just wish with my people more often they fucking show this. I wanna give you the world, son, not the world on your shoulders. Protect you from filthy pigs like them four that's from Minnesota. I need you to stay strong, sharp and aware. A grim truth at just the youth to make sure you prepared. This world at times can be severe. It makes no sense as a father raising a son in the country living in fear, but we here. And Pop's gon' lead you instead. And every day expose your greatness while uplifting your spirits. I'ma teach you how your blackness is gifted from God. And no matter how they see you, you'll see yourself eating eyes. You had the confidence, the love, all the tools to exude light. Intuitive and not a thug or they shrewd stereotypes. My baby boy, I know at your age this a lot to take up. But I must prepare you for America. Yeah, I must prepare you for America. I must prepare you for America. Our biggest problems, no solutions for 'em. America. Our biggest problems, no solutions for 'em. Still lynching, just no nuisance on America. Oh, America.
And it always begun. Black in a cop with a badge and a gun. Live in a world and it always begun. Black in a cop with a badge with a gun. Living my life, trying to be righteous. Living my life, trying to just fight. Just living my life, trying to be righteous. Living my life, trying to just fight. Just hit my co-workers with a MAGA hats relentlessly. See the undertone is they supporting white supremacy. And my co-workers with a MAGA hats relentlessly. See the undertone is they supporting white supremacy. Living my life, trying to just real, keeping it up on what I feel. Seeing people like me just die so light. Off in the time and the go, we just keep rolling and fold. Off in the time and the go, we just keep rolling and fold. And in my precinct ain't nobody decent. And I ain't seen nobody black get high like me recently. And that's the problem in the community, ain't no unity. When people don't see nobody policing that look like them. I'm seeing officers with Glocks in, but y'all's a couple shades of white too light for me to trust you, not him. That's how the people think when we police them. And I'm just trying my best to ease the tension. That's when I meet and greet them. That's how the people think when we police them. And I'm just trying my best to ease the tension. That's when I meet and greet them.
Prepare you for America. I must prepare you for America. Our biggest problems, no solutions for 'em. America. Our biggest problems, no solutions for 'em. Still lynching, just no nuisance on America. Oh, America.
Put me in your arms, baby. Yo. Put me in your arms, baby. Yo. Put me in your arms, baby.